friends! Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making a paper monkey hat. To complete this craft you will need dark and light brown cardstock, 2 large googly eyes, a black marker, a glue stick, a stapler, scissors, a ruler, and a pencil. Here's what you'll do. Measure and cut 2 4-inch wide strips from the dark brown cardstock. Next, staple 2 strips of paper together on the shorter ends. Measure around your head to get the fit just right and staple the other ends together, forming a circle. Trace and cut an oval-shaped mouth that will fit with the googly eyes above your hat. Add a curved line with the marker for the smile. Use the dark brown and light brown cardstock to make a semicircle-shaped ears for your monkey hat. Cut the pieces out and glue them together, attaching the smaller light brown semicircles away from the edge just slightly. Fold the edge of the dark brown part of the ears and add some glue, and attach to the sides of the hat. Next, glue your mouth to the front of the hat between the ears. Finally, attach your googly eyes above the mouth. Ta-da! Here's my finished paper monkey hat. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!